forgot everything. Keys. Happy days. So I'm here in the North Lincolnshire village of Scotter. Going out for a bit of a group ride. It's a memorial ride. I didn't know the guy, but it's a good charity. Lincolnshire Not Ambulance. And well, any excuse for a bike ride, yeah? So I'm just in the village green. It is very cold. Again, 2 days in a row. Second day out. It should be dry today though. So I'll tell you about the route in a few minutes, but it's called Two Rivers. Flick a map on the screen, shall I? So there's two bridges across the River Trent in this part of the world. It's not many, to be honest, anyway. And we're going across Keadby Bridge and Trinity. Is it called Trinity Bridge? I think that's its name. At Gainsborough. Anti-clockwise. Oh, a route I'm very familiar with. So anyway, I'm just about to head over to the car park and meet everybody and get going in about 15 minutes.
Right, use your thing, you all know the route now.
This is a big group eaters this morning, about 40 or 50 of us, I reckon. It's been a fast out so far. Joined the fastest group, stayed on for like 2 minutes. The gap quickly emerged, fell back to the next group. So we just come up to Keadby Bridge, average 31.1 kilometres an hour, which is exceptionally fast for me. Anyway, camera away, won't keep up. Well, 25 k's in, and I've knocked it on the head in terms of trying to keep up with the group that I was in. It's going too fast for me. Pretty much, well, it's not, I won't say it's out of comfort zone because I've done the fast rides before. It's just something I'm not normally doing that so often. And if we're talking about comfort zone, you know, it is important to get out of it and, you know, train harder. It's how we all improve. Definitely enjoying it. It's so very wet. Must have rained an awful lot overnight. Yesterday it was, all things considered, the forecast was pretty dry really, it was just very cold. So I'm 26k in, average is 30.2, so it's dropped a little bit. It's probably going to drop a lot now. Now I'm on my own until another group catches me up, which they will. And it's a kind of headwind along the River Trent, and if you get stuck by yourself, it's painful, for want of a better word. Where are we now? Ouston Ferry, another scenic village along the River Trent. So I hope you've been enjoying the content over the last few months. Gonna be lots of bikepacking stuff coming up very soon. As soon as we get out of this miserable winter weather, got plenty planned. If you want to know what I have got planned, I'll stick a link in the top right corner of the screen. Go check out that video. And I must admit, for the first time in a very long time, I didn't bring the route with me. I don't know if there's a GPX available, to be honest. Anyway, I remember saying right at Grinkley, so I don't know if we're going up Grinkley on the hill. Because normally, if it's two rivers, I'd stick firmly against the river and go through Beckingham and take the cycle path. And there's no groups around me, so maybe they'll catch up. I think going Grinkley is you join that main road and then you'd get to Beckingham. I think he put me east that way because I think the main route goes down the flood road into Gainsborough, which is a place that I do not like to be. But it would make sense why you would go Grinkley and join up to that road. Anyway, I see what I feel like. I must drink though. I've barely had a mouth of water on this ride. And I probably could have done with one bottle, to be fair. I was umming and ahhing, thinking, well, I do drink a lot this time of year. And I'm just carrying extra water around me for no reason. Oh well. All good training. That's the way I look at it, but yeah, would it be nice to ride with people? It's meant to be a group ride. And I do lots of solo rides. So yeah, anyway, I'm enjoying it as we enter West Stockwith. Right, coming through Misterton now. Got a couple of riders in front of me, I'm going to follow them. They will know. Fingers crossed. We're called Two Rivers, I think it just clings to the river, but I could have sworn it said right at Grinkley. Anyway, good ride. Sun's out a little bit. Yeah, it's definitely warmed up a bit. So many puddles, so many puddles. Just realised it's not called Two Rivers, is it? I was googling it and everything. It's two bridges, not two rivers. There's only one river. Oh! It's taken me to the middle of this video to realise. They got ahead too much. I couldn't see them, so I don't know which way I'm going. So I thought I'd just wait for the social group or whatever to catch up. Enjoy your flapjack in the meantime. Started going to B&M's again because the Poundland is closed where I work, but close to where I work. And 29p I think it was. Bargain. Yummy. I'm sure there was 29p like 5 years ago or something. Nice. Right, see somebody riding. I'm going to jump on their tail, I think. So I was right, we are going up Grinkley on the hill. Gotta get going. And the reason why I go up here, because there's a water tower. That's the connection with the river. It's also got the front racing and stuff. This will break most people on the front group, or anyway really. Beacon Hill. Alright, camera away, let's get to the top. All sorts of bikes. Like I said at the beginning of the video, I was going to jump on my road bike, but the chain is knackered. I need to do some work this week in the garden, stick the floodlight on and change chains and stick new cassettes on and things like that, so it's going to keep me busy. I've not heard of that one. Better stop on my GPS. So 69.37 kilometres, 2 hours and 33 minutes. I was going to go for a ride afterwards, but I've done a lot this weekend. So there we go. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up. I know it's been a bit short and sweet, but it's been fast and I've not had much opportunity to bring the camera out. It's been a great training ride. It really has. Well, I hope you enjoyed it. Give the video a thumbs up if you have. Hit subscribe if you're not already subscribed to the channel. And I'll see you in the next one very soon.